Hello everyone. As we all know, exams are on its way and you must have started your preparation. If you wish to score good marks in the exam, then you will have to complete the long answers first because they consist of more marks as compared to other questions. But learning long answers can be the most daunting task. The word long itself gives nightmare to many students. But hey, we are here today. In this video, we are going to give you some tips that will help you to memorize long answers quickly, and also you will be able to remember it till the exam. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1 is read answers twice. Whenever you sit to study, first try reading the question and understand what it means and what the question is asking. After that, quickly skim through the answers to get an understanding of what the context is. Once done, again skim through the answer, but this time read it carefully and highlight the important lines in the answers. Doing this will give you a clarity of what you have to study. Tip number 2. Understand the logic. After reading the answer, try understanding the concept. Doing this will give you an idea of what you are learning. You can also translate the answers in your mother tongue to understand it better. This tip not only will help you in memorizing but also in remembering the information till the exam. Tip number 3. Split the answer. For better understanding, split the answer in 3 sections. That is, the introduction, the main part and the conclusion. Read the answers in that order only, and if you want, you can also split the sections into multiple points for better understanding. This will definitely make your process of learning long answers easily. Tip number 4. Learn step by step. After splitting, start reading the introduction part loudly till you read it without taking a look at the paper. Once done, apply this method to the main part and the conclusion. After completing 3 sections, start reading all the 3 sections again, but this time without looking at the paper. In case you forgot anything, take a glance at the paper and continue reading. Tip number 5. Write it down. After memorizing the answer, take a short test and write down the answer that you have learned without taking a look at the paper. Once done, review it yourself and search for the mistakes and learn from it. This tip is very beneficial because it has been proven by many researchers that writing helps in grasping the information quickly, and also it helps in long-term retention of knowledge. Tip number 6. Revise effectively. Most of the students just learn the information and neglect revising it, due to which they forget the information till the exam. So, revise it effectively. For long-term retention, revise it after 48 hours, after 1 week, and then after 15 days. Doing this will help the brain to transform the information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Tip number 7. Note it down on chart papers. After writing down and revising the answer, pat yourself because you have successfully memorized the answer. But to remember it till the exam, take a chart paper and write down the key points that you have highlighted in your answer. After doing that, stick that chart paper in your hall room or near your study table. Daily, take a look at the chart paper at least 3 times a day to lock it in the long-term memory. Have a look at it when you wake up in the afternoon and before going to bed. So, these were the 7 tips that will help you to memorize long answers quickly. We guarantee you that once you imply these tips while studying, memorizing long answers will not be a daunting at all. Also, if you are facing any problem while studying, then do tell us in the comment box. We will definitely try to make a video on that. Till then, watch these videos. Thank you and best of luck for your exams.